Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some Disney project shares to share with you guys, and I made the same kind of style folio, but I will show you guys the two that I made because they're slightly different, like maybe just a couple of different cut aparts and whatnot. So I used this collection from Echo Park. It is called the Magical Adventure Collection. I think I got it during one of their sales. And here are the scraps that I have left. So I do have some scraps to work with. And it looks like I'm going to be making some kind of like a landscape-ish album with this. I don't have a lot. I mean, I do have a lot, but not a lot at the same time because obviously I'm going to want to make some kind of an album. And I do have most of the stickers still. So let me show you guys what I created. I was able to make 2 folios, and then there would be a third project whenever I figure out what to make with this. So 3 projects from 1 collection kit. So let's get started and I'll show you guys the 2 folios that I made. So here are the 2 folios that I made. The covers are the same. Almost the same. The only difference is that this one says dream and this one says family, but for the most part, they are the same. I did stitching all around. The back covers are pretty much the same. They're both hexagon patterns, just slightly different, like not much of a difference, but like here's the dark polka dot, here's the light blue polka dot, just like almost no difference at all. So you wouldn't even be able to tell. And these are both trifold waterfall folios. So let me show you guys what one of these looks like. I also have this ribbon closure. It's beautiful, guys. I love this. It's so fun. Also forgot to mention that they are available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing. And I will be having these folio bases available in my Etsy shop as well. I had listed them yesterday and they all sold out, so I just gotta make those and ship those out before I list some more again. But the bases of these I will have in my Etsy shop coming soon, but then the album itself is also available. So when you open this up, I have a cut apart here. This just says everyone say cheese and a sticker that says adventure with some stars. It's double matted on the first one, and then you just have the solid cardstock where you could add photos. You could add it onto the back and to this, and then this flips also. So you could add photos. Right here alone, you could add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 photos. Actually 11. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, 11. 11 photos there. Then here you have a pocket. This is double matted here with gold and red, and then this design. And then the pocket has the black outline. And you have a cut apart journal space here where you could add 2 or 3 photos. So technically 3. So let's say now you have 14 photos that you could add in here. And obviously you could tuck in more photos in here as well. Nothing is magnetized here. You have that ribbon closure, so nothing will interfere. You could just tuck in your photos, and it's a gusseted pocket, so you'll be able to fit in a bunch. Then this flips open again. You have another 11 photos here. So now you're at 25 photos. And this just says best day ever, and it mirrors the other side with the same color on each waterfall, just like that. And then the center here, so now you're at 25 photos, and that's not even including the center. So the center here says so much fun. This is magnetized. This opens up. You could add photos here and here. I'd probably add 2 photos to each, or you could add 1 bigger photo, so it depends. If you were to count one, we'll count with 1 photo and then we'll count 2 photos. So we're at 25 for now, but you have 1 space here, another space here, you have another one here and here. So now you're at 4 spaces if you do like the full 4x6 photo. Now you're at 5 and 6 spaces, 7 spaces. So you have 7 spaces for photos. That could either be 32 photos, or if you add another 7, if you add 2 to each of these, now you're at 39 photos. So although this is like, I don't know, it seems like a small folio, but it's not really a small folio either. Like there's a lot of space here for photos. So 39 40, 41, and you could tuck more in there, which I'm not even counting, but a minimum of 41 photos. And I mean, if you wanted to, you could even add smaller photos here, but I'm counting for 2 of these. So anywhere from, let's say, 34 to 41 photos is what you could get out of here. And that's with either the single photos or the double photos, so 34 to 41. Anyway, so once you open up all of these, they just kind of flip opposite directions. So this flips to the left, this flips to the right, this flips to the left, this flips to the right, and then here in the center you just have another pocket. And this has a journal card where you could add a photo to the back, and it has another card here where you could add a photo here, here, and here. Actually, I forgot to count that. So 36 photos. I counted it as one before, so 36 to 43, I guess, photos. So that is a lot of photos that you could fit, and you could also just tuck in whatever else you want in here. This is another gusseted pocket, and that is everything. So that is this double waterfall folio that I have available in my Etsy shop. Now the other one, the one that says Dream on the cover, they are very similar, just have different cut aparts. So for example, they look the same, but this one says Everyone Say Cheese, this one says Adventure, this one has a red cut apart that says Magical Adventure, this one has one that says This Moment, but they are like the same kind of style. Then these both flip open. That one has The Best Day Ever, and this one has Best Place Ever, and they both have the So Much Fun. They have the same pages here, and then just different cut aparts here. This one has Our Favorite Thing, and then this one says You and Me. So they're very similar, just a teeny little bit different with the cut aparts, but otherwise they're the same. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. I had so much fun making these. Again, the folio bases will be available in my Etsy shop again soon. As soon as I restock them, but there will be more restocks throughout the summer. And again, if you also want to purchase any of these already finished, like the Disney ones, they are available in my Etsy shop as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.